Hey guys, today we're gonna be riding America's most scenic train. Let's go check it out. Man, that train is so cool. It's awesome. Check out these vintage train cars, man.
Love it. Hey, Russell. Is that sarcastic or that's Toodles. Very good. That's the kind of things operations.
Train station.
Go that way and show them that. All right.
After you get on board, you get going, then they'll ask us.
See what car we are.
They have to be there because you want to get just right. That's right. Yes. Do they say all the more? They do.
Stuff is so cool, man.
One DVD, region-free DVD, so it works worldwide. Comes with the guidebook, and the entire package there, friends, is going to be $20 right on the button, okay? Guidebook can come by itself too, by the way. This, friends, I talk about this on our way up and back today because it has a mile-by-mile guide that corresponds with the black and white mile markers. You're going to be seeing to the east side of the train, but don't worry, there's all enough for every basement. Fort Lewis College up on the base there. It's an extra part just for the extra heating. So the guidebook by itself is 12. The DVD packet is 20.
You get this class of train, you get free muffins. So this point right here is the last access road point to Silverton. So cool. Okay, man.
You're going outside?
We're coming back the same way, so
That's a good idea.
yeah.
This is so cool, man. I remember this cliff whenever I was a kid. Like, it's like a huge rock. It's so awesome. Check it out. Wow. So impressive, man. Let's go check out the concessions car.
The train against the granite wall.
The Durango to Silverton train is over 100 years old. The year this train was constructed, which I mentioned later, is actually the same year that the gunfight at OK Corral took place in Tombstone. Actually, one of my favorite Western movies has this gunfight in it. If you're interested in watching it, it's called Tombstone, starring Kurt Russell and Val Kilmer. It's easily my favorite parts that both these actors have played. Anyways, a fun fact about this train is that it has never been robbed. If you actually think about it, it actually makes sense because this train ride is very remote, and Silverton is also, and we will get into that later in this video.
Sorry. Took 1,000 pictures of the rock.
So cool, man. There's a reason why they call it America's most scenic train route. Pretty cool. That's some alligator chips.
We don't have a way to charge it on the train.
Right.
Yeah. That's all it was.
Thank you. You guys really want to post it Instagram, right?
So cool, man. Yeah, my brother and I, we actually used to work on a train. We were musicians. It was the Grand Canyon Railway. Pretty awesome, man. We'll have to take you guys on a trip there sometime. Yeah, they're just stopping here right now just to refuel on water. So we're just kind of hanging out here. But we're pretty close to Silverton. So this area right here is owned by a certain resort, and it's only accessible by train or by helicopter. So awesome, man. Check that out. They just put the water spout up. It's so cool, man. Let's see if you guys can see the route of the train robber. First, let's get the view of the side of the train. Here's the train spout. So awesome. I highly recommend that you go on this train ride. It's like the best train ride I've ever been on. Also, like, the steam locomotive is so cool, man. So this train has been around since 1881. So awesome, man. Let's go check out the water tank. So cool, man. Check this out. Pretty awesome. This must be the one that the train filled up in. So that other water tank that we just passed, that big one, that one was wood. That's the one that they used to use. I remember the train attendant saying that. Pretty awesome. So we just made it to Silverton. Let's go around and check it out. Real quick, I kind of want to look at the steam engine. Kind of obsessed with steam engines. I grew up in a small town where a steam locomotive would run all the time. So I kind of have an obsession.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, so for a period of time, this used to be the only means of transportation and supplying for Silverton. So cool.
with a firebox, like a cyclomotor almost. Yeah. Fire sitting right there, surrounded by water, space steam. Was it retrofitted or was there a historical time where like they started bringing all this gold? This one
Around Silverton a little bit. Jewelry collectibles, that's cool. Wow. This game that I like to play called Red Dead Redemption 2. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of it, but it's awesome, and this town reminds me a lot of one of those towns. Also the train does too. Check this out. So cool, man. Look, it's a snow track. So like Silverton, Colorado gets so much snow, man, so this does not surprise me. So like the track's under here, and we will not go inside, but we will look. Look at how awesome that is. So cool, man. Look, got seats back there too. It's the intro to a movie called National Treasure, and they're riding things like this. It reminds me a lot of that. I want to go check that out. See that bell up in that tower over there? So we're coming up on that building with the bell on it. It's cool, man. Let's see if there's an entrance on the front. I don't know if it's open or not. We can check. I love remote places, man. It just blows me away that for a long period of time, the Durango to Silverton train was the only thing that brought supplies here, I think. Besides maybe people on horseback, but that would be a long ride. This is Green Street right here. The main street of Silverton. Wow. Silverton, yeah, 1908 it says. City. This is City Hall. Restroom smoking. Awesome. Hey, check it out. There's a classic car down there. Looks like a Camaro. Cool. Look at this thing, man. And there's that up there. So cool. Look at that view, man. You see all that snow? So apparently around this area gets like a lot of avalanches. I don't know specifically about Silverton, but at a certain time of the year they stop running the train up to Silverton because of the danger of avalanches. In 1885, the population of Silverton grew to 1,100. That's just 7 years after it was made. Silverton was a mining town. They mined gold and silver and copper. Pretty interesting. It's a cool name for a place, the Frenchman's Suites. And some snowshoes. Check this thing out. This thing is sweet, man. I thought it was a Camaro, but oh, it is a Camaro. That's so awesome, man. Late 60s, probably. Right here. Looks like it's closed. That's cool, man. You can check it out, it's a ski place. That's cool, man. Check that out, it's for ice shoes. That's so cool, man. Wow. Let's go check it out real quick.
Hey.
So cool, man. I kind of want to try skiing or snowboarding this year.
How's it going, y'all? Doing well. Let me know if I can help find you there.
Oh, thank you. So this is Green Street. The only paved road in Silverton. Pretty awesome. I really like all these buildings, man. They're so cool. So we decided to go try eat at the saloon. The food looks pretty good. I saw somebody walk out with it. So I got the French dip. It sounds pretty good, man. This place is really cool. Check it out. It looks really good, man. Look at that. Really good, man.
So if you only sell one house and then somebody else comes in there selling 1,000, well, that's what I want.
Yeah, how cool these are, man. We're in a blacksmith shop. See that hatchet? All right, so it looks like it's time to get back on the train to get back to Durango. Just so you're aware, the time can go up really quick here, so especially when you're getting food, but just to give you a heads up, so if there's any places you want to go to, just totally check them out quickly. Yeah, we just got off the train. It's so awesome, man. It's easily the best train in the United States. It's beautiful. You gotta try it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.